Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zillow Rental Manager for investor lead tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Zillow Rental Manager for investor lead tracking, start by visiting the Zillow Rental Manager website. Log in or create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Manage Listings option in the main menu. Select Create a new listing. Fill in the required property information, including the address, type of property, and rental price. Upload high-quality photos of your property to attract potential investors. Once your listing is complete, review all details for accuracy. Scroll down to the Advanced Settings section. Look for the option that allows lead tracking and click to enable it. Add any specific tracking codes you may want to use for monitoring leads. Make sure to save all settings before moving forward. Next, go to the Lead Notifications section. Choose how you want to receive notifications about new leads. You can opt for email notifications or text message alerts. Customize the fields to capture any additional information from potential investors. Once you've set your preferences, click Save Changes. Now, it's important to promote your listing. Share your Zillow Rental Manager link across your social media platforms. Consider using targeted ads to reach a broader audience. Monitor your listings regularly to track interest in leads. Respond promptly to any inquiries from potential investors. Review and analyze lead data through the Zillow platform for insights. Regularly update your listing based on market trends and feedback. This will help keep your property appealing and attract more leads. Make sure to stay engaged with the Zillow community for the latest updates. By following these steps, you can successfully activate Zillow Rental Manager for investor lead tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.